My name is Esteban Miranda. I've been with Friends on Fire for about 3 years. I made a green pozole verde. You're gonna wanna roast your tomatillos first and then start throwing it in the blender. We did 4 whole chickens, boil them for about 20 minutes, peel the skin off, debone them, and then put that on the side. Everything I cook here, family's made it, so I do a lot of Mexican stuff. My grandma used to make pozole verde all the time. Everyone that cooks brings their own flavor of style, whether it's their culture, their own diversity, or what someone taught them how to cook. From there, you'll mix it all together, throw in the hominy, let that cook for about 25 minutes, cook the hominy all the way through. Some of the toppings at the end, you'll add cabbage and radishes. If you want lemon, you can do that, and hot sauce of your choice. Cooking for 9 people every day. This is a lot. It's a lot of food, a lot of prep time, a lot of cooking. It's like a catering business pretty much. You know, luckily I have guys that help me out most of the time, so it's a good time.